All right, this video is going to show you how to add a recipe to Myfitnesspal. The easiest way to do this is going to be on the computer. You can do it through your phone, but it does take a little longer. So I'm going to go just sign into your Myfitnesspal account, which you see, and then you see from there, come to the My Home button. Right beside that, you'll see food. Just going to click on food. And then from here, to your food diary database, my foods, my meals, recipes, and then settings. So now you're doing recipes. And this is very simple. You can either add through an import, um, which would be like where the recipe is from, or you can create your own. So we're just going to create like a chili, for example. So the way you figure out the serving size, I usually base that on what's the serving size for meat. And so you'll cook it all together. So like let's say we're going to use a usual serving size for meat is 4 ounces. And inside of a 1 pound thing of ground beef, you're going to have 4 servings in essence of 4 ounces. So let's just say we're going to use a pound of ground beef. So we're going to put 4 servings there. From there, I'm going to put in 1 cup black beans. And then it might be 1 pound. You want to make sure you designate what kind of meat you use here. So 96.4 ground beef. And let's put 3 tablespoons chili powder. This is just to make it easy. We can add whatever we want to here. Onions or whatever. Just going to match ingredients. And then from there, it's going to give you this. Now, this sometimes will mess up like this. This is probably not correct. Right, so I'm going to replace that with 96.4. Now, I'll put search. But, okay, this is what I want. Kroger's or whatever. But yeah, I want to do 4 servings of that. Here. Now we can actually up correctly. So it changes the calories. We've got 1 cup like beans here, 3 tablespoons of spices here. And then you just hit save, or you can save the logic. Now, the way you're going to make sure of like what a serving is, because now remember we're basing this off of your 4 ounces of meat, for your 4 ounces of meat, but the weight of that's going to be different. So for you to be able to log it into Myfitnesspal, you're going to have to, when you finish cooking, put the bowl out, and then you're going to weigh everything. You just cook, and you're going to divide it by 4. All right, if you divide it by 16, then you're going to divide it by 16. So when cooking these ingredients, make sure you do divide that out after you cook. As soon as you finish putting a bowl, and then that's going to tell you how much it is. And I just take a little sticky note, usually put it on top of the food, and then write out what that looks like. So that's how you log the recipes into Myfitnesspal.